Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English reading for Class 1. We'll start by focusing on individual letter sounds. Understanding these basic sounds is the first step to reading. For example, the letter A makes the ah sound, as in apple. Then, we'll practice blending these sounds together to form simple words. This foundational step builds confidence and makes reading much easier. Next, let's talk about sight words. These are words that appear very often and are best learned by memorizing them, rather than sounding them out every time. Think of words like the is and. Using flashcards can be a fun way to practice. Once you know a few sight words, you can start reading very simple sentences, which is a big step forward. Pictures are a fantastic tool for young readers. When you're reading, always look at the illustrations. They often give clues about the story. Try to connect what you see in the picture with the words you are reading. Also, listening to someone read stories aloud helps you understand how words form sentences and convey meaning. This makes reading more enjoyable and less intimidating. Consistent practice is key to becoming a good reader. Try to read for about 10 to 15 minutes every day. Choose books that have large print and bright, engaging pictures, as these are more appealing for young learners. Remember, reading should be fun. Celebrate every new word you learn and every sentence you read. This positive reinforcement will keep you excited about reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.